Changing the fuel filter on your outboard is an essential part of your typical maintenance. And it's not something that's hard to do, it's just something that you need to do. So let me show you what you need to do to change your fuel filter on your Mercury outboard. This one in particular is a 60 horsepower. Many others are going to be the very same setup, so it's just a matter of looking under your cowl and seeing what you've got. First step is going to be to remove the cowl. This has a latch at the back. Pull it, and the cowl comes off. Set the cowl aside. Don't drop it in the lake. And right here, we have our fuel filter. So let's get a little bit closer look at this thing. So in order to change your fuel filter, you're going to need the fuel filter kit, which comes with the fuel filter and the O-ring. Link to all this stuff is in the description. You're going to grab this bowl, spin this off. You might dribble a little fuel, so be prepared with rags or a can to catch it with. And our fuel filter right here, and as you can see, this one's pretty dirty. So we're going to set that off to the side. And our O-ring is right here. Now, this is pretty well in there, so I'm going to need to get a little pick to remove that. So, some sort of a little pick or something to get in here and just grab this O-ring and remove it. That thing is pretty hard. It's been in there for a while. So set that off to the side. Put our new O-ring right in there. Seat it in nice. We're going to grab a rag, clean out what's down in the bottom there. All right, once you're satisfied with the cleanliness of your filter housing, typically these will go and seat up in and hold themselves there if the O-ring's good. And then, which this one is because it's brand new, spin our filter base back on, snug that up hand tight, then grab your primer bowl and pump it to get fuel back in there and make sure nothing leaks. So at this point, with our new filter installed, you're ready to put your cowl back on and go boating. Thanks for watching.